Let's face it, you're busy, you're doing startup-y stuff. You don't have time to bounce around to Meetup and Eventbrite and organization sites and all kinds of other places looking for the events you should be attending. That's why the Portland startup community has Calagator, the aggregated tech calendar for the Portland community that helps keep you up to date on all the events that are happening, no matter where they're posted or where they're being hosted. So let's take a quick look at Calagator to give you some more context on getting connected in the Portland startup community. Here's the main screen. Pretty straightforward. Listing of events for the next 2 weeks. You can see what's going on any given day, as well as the timing and location for those events. If you want to look a little further out, click on View Future Events, and you'll get a listing of everything that's been provided for the upcoming calendar as far as tech events go. So what if an event you're organizing or an event you're attending doesn't appear on the list? If that's the case, you can simply add an event, include the event name, the venue, the timing, website, description for additional information, as well as tags that help identify what type of event it is or who the intended audience is. Then you click the I'm not a robot, as long as you're not a robot, and go ahead and create the event. And that will automatically appear on the list of events for everyone to see. Now, let's say you're attending an event or you notice an event that happens to have a mistake on it. This is where you can contribute to Calagator as well. If you look over on the right sidebar, you'll see an edit option. Simply click edit, go into the event, make the changes or additions you need. Again, click I'm not a robot and update the event so that the listing is more detailed or fixed for everyone else looking at the event. Now finally, one of my favorite features on Calagator is that some tags generate icons, like this free icon that you see in the sidebar, which makes it really easy to dive in to a series of events that all share the same tag, like free. So if you're not interested in paying, clicking on free will take you to all the events that have been tagged free so that you can see all the events available in the upcoming future that are free events. In addition, it gives you a listing of all historical events that also shared that tag. So as an event organizer, if you're looking for subjects or ideas for upcoming events, going through this repository can be a great way of looking historically at events that have been scheduled in Portland, but also opportunities or gaps for events that should be held. So this can be a great research tool for any event organizer. So that's Calagator. Super simple. I'd encourage you to visit it on a regular basis, add events as you come across them, and ideally make this a better resource for everyone. For event organizers, I'd encourage you to get in the habit of adding your events to Calagator as you're planning them. And for event attendees, please always make sure and check that the events you like are listed on Calagator for the rest of the community. That's been your how-to on the aggregated tech calendar for Portland, Calagator. Stay tuned for more news on Portland startups, Portland tech, and the like, as well as upcoming events that have been posted to Calagator. Until then, please keep up the good work.